5 best electric fireplaces. Who wouldn't enjoy a cozy living room brought to you by a beautiful fireplace warming you up on a winter evening? The reality though is that real fireplaces often take a lot of work and money. That's why having a portable electric fireplace can come to the rescue, offering the same benefits with extra bonuses without hurting your pocket or your time. Today we're going to review the 5 best electric fireplaces and some of the best choices out on the market, with great design, great quality, and great price. For more questions and information, kindly click on the links in the description box below. And now let's begin. At number 1 is the ChimneyFree infrared quartz electric stove heater. Why is it one of the best and leading electric fireplaces on the market? Well, it's because of its outstanding features. You'll be amazed by its infrared quartz heat that helps maintain the natural humidity without drying out your home. It also creates a healthier home environment. Its assembled dimensions are 10 by 17.5 by 23 inches and surprisingly warms up to a maximum space of 1,000 square feet without the annoying noise. It runs extremely quiet. And you're going to love the flame effect with glowing logs. The unit comes in a durable metal body construction with thick metal legs. It's easy to assemble and operate. The control panel buttons kept secret behind the screen operational door, so it's safe around children and pets. You can easily manage the adjusting of the thermostat for your preferred level of heat and the flames in your room. You can even set a temperature that can automatically turn it off when it gets to that level of heat. You can use or turn on the only flame to warm you up and keep the heater off. You'll also love the fact that this electric fireplace is certified eco-friendly. It does not emit hazardous byproducts. Indeed, it's an excellent product at a great price with great value. It's a small fireplace, but it can put out continuous supplemental heat into a large space without taking up so much room. And of course, it promotes a safe and healthy environment. At number 2 is the Mainstays 22-inch fireplace heater. Are you ready to spark up the warmth? Well, this heater has assembled dimensions of 21.5 by 6.25 by 17 inches and comes with a 10 LED flame with 10 bed colors, along with crystals and logs that you can insert with a perfect blend of decor and add elegance. These relaxing, dazzling, beautiful flames work well even without the heat. You can easily change and readjust the colors and brightness. You'll also love the unit's design. It's sleek and slim and black. It comes with 2 heat settings, an adjustable thermostat, and a 1-hour or 7-hour timer. You'll also love the fact that the heater is on the upper part of the fireplace, leaving the front safe to touch. You'll also appreciate the remote control included that makes it much easier to control or change the settings. This heater is compact and won't take up too much of your space. It has 2 options. You can either hang it on a wall or place it on a surface like the floor or even a table. If you'd like to mount it on the wall, a paintable tube is included to cover the plug's cords. You can paint it to blend and match with your wall. Therefore, you won't have any visible unnecessary cords that are exposed. These 2 options have different installation parts and procedures and come with an easy-to-follow manual. The Mainstays fireplace heater will turn your room into an elegant, beautiful fireplace while keeping it well heated. But what do you have to say about our first 2 products? If you've already made up your mind, then check out the descriptions below. Yet, if you're still interested, we have 3 more excellent fireplaces on our list, so keep watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload new videos. And now, let's continue with our list. At number 3 is the Bold Flame 28-inch electric fireplace heater in chestnut. If you're looking for something that looks great, works great, and has a great price, then this electric fireplace is the perfect deal. Grab it while it's still available. The product's dimensions are 28 by 8 by 26.5 inches. It's also easy to assemble. It has a gorgeous slim design that makes it simple to place in the desired space and adds a little bit of fashion to your home and functional look. This modern, stylish chestnut electric fireplace is perfect for small rooms. It warms and heats the room fast. Its supplemental heating area covers at least 400 square feet. It also comes with a fan forced heater to create a cozy mood anytime you get chilly. It has 5 level flame and ember bed brightness settings, so you can choose and adjust the flame and temperature you want. This electric heater has a push-button control with LEDs that are easy to follow and control. It's modern and stylish, but not too complicated. And there's more. It comes with a remote control to help you change the settings faster and easier. Indeed, it's the convenience choice. You won't have to worry about your kids being around since it has a child lock protection. It also has a timer and safety thermal cutoff to ensure that the heat is well maintained and controlled. It's safe for the whole family. Just enjoy and be warm. At number 4 is the rolling mantle with infrared quartz electric fireplace in caramel birch. Buy this highly recommended functional and practical electric heater on the market. Its product dimensions are 25 by 10 1/4 by 24 inches with impressive concealed casters rolling in any direction for convenient mobility. It's easy to roll around wherever you need to. It's also known for its infrared heat that helps maintain the natural humidity without drying out the area. It creates a safe, comfortably warm environment. It's perfect for medium-sized rooms since its supplemental zone heating is up to 1,000 square feet. You'll enjoy it for sure with a dazzling flame effect. It works well with or without the heater running, providing the ambiance of a gentle rolling fire all year long. You can also choose from 5 flame brightness settings and 5 flame speeds to create the perfect experience. The flame looks realistic and is not a bright orange like some. Also, the temperature is adjustable with the use of the thermostat. You can simply adjust or choose the temperature of your choice in the room. This electric fireplace has electronic timer functions and can automatically shut off from 30 minutes up to 9 hours. Or if the plug gets hot enough, it prevents fire and resets as it cools. It's safe to operate around kids and pets. An excellent product with something to bring to your home right now. Stay tuned because we still have one more product on the list. We have a lot of other great videos just like this one on various products. So subscribe to our channel and check out every one of them. By tapping the bell icon, you'll also be notified when we upload a new video. We love to hear your thoughts and appreciate your comments, so feel free to let us know what you think down below. And now our final item. At number 5 is the Sheridan Mobile Infrared Fireplace in Cherry. The product dimensions are 48 by 15.5 by 35 inches. If you're too busy and don't have the time to assemble it, well, this is the right fireplace. This fantastic product will be delivered at your doorstep fully assembled. Simply take it out of the box, install the optional caster, plug it up, and you're good to go. It's perfect for homes, condominiums, lofts, apartments, and seasonal rooms. This electric fireplace has an impressive, well-engineered design. It comes with optional casters to install to move the fireplace easily. Like other leading fireplaces in the market, it also has an infrared option that quickly heats up to a 1,000 square foot room without drying out the air. It's also extremely quiet. The settings work off of a remote control, so it's convenient for you to use. It also has the perfect color balance of wood that blends in with your furniture at home. You'll love its behind glass flames, and the inside walls of brick look very realistic. The Sheridan Mobile Infrared Fireplace has 3 levels of brightness and 5 levels of heat for you to enjoy. You can take in the warmth and the sparkling flame even if the heater is not running. It works well with or without turning on the heater. Indeed, it adds character to your space with an added touch of realistic fire. It perfectly beautifies the area and creates a cozy, relaxing, well-heated ambiance. Definitely worth the money, no assembly required, and excellent quality at a great price. Well, that takes care of our list of the 5 best electric fireplaces on the market. So now it's time for you to make your choice and click on the link of your chosen fireplace. We hope our list helped you decide which one's best for you and for your family. If you have a product you'd like to see us review in the future, write it down in the comments section, and our team will do their best to give you the research to what you need to know. Please click on the bell icon to be notified from our latest videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at the ReviewTube channel.